Hey everybody, Hunter 1930s original fan collector, etc. back with another video, and today what you're looking at here is a TroposAir Tornado industrial ceiling fan. Yeah, I'm finally floor testing it, but you know, some people say it's a death wish because this fan has 3 metal blades. And yes, this fan is very dangerous when it comes to floor testing. I would not recommend anybody to try it. I'm the only one who's going to try it for the sake of it, because I'm a professional at this. So yeah, I would not recommend anybody trying this. I mean, the blades are stainless steel, as you can hear what they are made out of, so just be careful. And I'm going to only show it on, ooh, that thing just really torques. So yeah, I'm not going to show this fan on high for very long because of how scary it is. So yeah, here's low. This fan is extremely powerful. I mean, very dangerous, very fast, and very scary. As you can tell, it's on low. Got a good low, honestly. Here's medium. And that torque you just saw when I first started this fan up is how aggressive this fan is. This is why I do not recommend anyone to try and floor test this fan, because this fan literally has metal blades and I want to stay away from that. Tell medium's moving out a ton of air already. And this is why I don't play around with this, because this thing is insane. Be fast and very scary, because this fan has metal blades. And you can hear it's already whistling due to the metal blades it has. And they're contoured. They have a steep trailing edge to them, so this thing really does move a ton of air. Alright, I'm only going to show, if I'm going to show it on high, it's only going to be for a few seconds, because I do not want to get hurt. And here's high. Move a ton of air, as it should. Jeez, this thing's got a lot of torque to it. Alright, yeah. That is pretty much it for the TroposAir Tornado industrial ceiling fan. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.